Code Coach today. We're up on the 5th floor of a building and I want to talk about duct construction. Here's a great example of duct board going through a rated wall. This is not going to work. You're allowed to pass through rated walls, maximum 3 stories. If it's minimum 26 gauge, you do not need a fire damper. This, however, exceeds the 100 square inch allowance. All right, you have, I believe that's an 8 by 24 inch duct. So right there, that's over your square inch allowance. So if this were to be less than 100 square inches of metal construction, not to exceed 3 floors in height, if this were a rated wall, you will be allowed to, per code, pass this through and not have to put a fire damper in there. However, this is duct board. Again, it exceeds the square inch allowance. So it's over the square inch allowance. We're on the 5th floor of a building. And also, like I said, it's not metal construction. So it's gonna need a fire damper. So this is a great example of needing a fire damper. You also have a through penetration here going through that elevator shaft. They're gonna need to fire caulk that. So just things to be mindful when you're looking at ducts passing through walls and assemblies.